So today I'm going to do an acrylic pour, and I'm going to use dish liquid or dish soap. And I found this technique to be really good. It makes the spread really nice. And these are the colors that I'm using, as you can see. This is a green, and it's a leaf green. I use whatever greens you have. And these are some old paints that I had, so I just wanted to try them out, and I have no use for them otherwise. Maple sugar. Just want to try something different. Everybody's using all these same colors, so I just thought I'd try something different. And this one's a deep red. So I'm only going to use 3 colors for today, and I got some white, and I have my dish liquid, which I poured in here, and a drop of water. A little watery. See how it works, because it's hard to know what consistency to use. You have to experiment, really. So I'm going to take my dish liquid and I'm going to add it to my white, so it'll be nice and thinned out. And I'm going to stir it up a little bit. Nice. Good. Bubbles and all. Let's add some to our green. Just till it goes over the whole top. See? And then just mix it up. Till you get the consistency that you want. Which is like not too watery, but enough so that it'll move. That's good. So I added my dish soap to all my 3 paints and my white. And now I am going to, before I do anything else, I am going to add some white to my canvas, so it'll help it move. It'll help it move more. That's what the dish soap is for. So this white paint will help it move. So I'm just going to put it on here. And the dish soap will also thin out the paint and help it move faster too. There we go. So I'm just going to experiment, and I'm going to just pour it on. I'm not going to do the dirty pour. Not right now. Maybe I'll do the next one. And I'll just put this on here, just so the paint will flow. Isn't this fun? So much fun, isn't it? I'm getting into this, but I won't be forgetting my landscapes and seascapes, so don't worry about that. I'll be doing my animals. I just want to try a bunch of different things. Just fun projects, do-it-yourself projects. I just want to do everything that I can. So much fun. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to take my white and put white in here first. I got some white in there. And then I will take, so you make your own decision what colors you want to come first, second, or third. And whatever colors you want to use. And some green. Oh, this should be fun. It should be a mess, but it should be fun. Some red. Some yellow. some white again. We'll just layer it. There we go. Put some more. Go back in with some yellow. Some red. Just mixing the colors up. No particular order. And green. And maybe I made it a bit watery. We'll find out. More white. So now we'll take that and we'll just pour it on here. I'm not going to take it and tip it over. I'm just going to pour it on in the center and let it spread out and see what happens, okay? Okay, so here we go. All those pretty colors. Just going to let it go in the center. Flows nicely. All right. I want to add a little more white to that. Just in the center. A bit of red. I'm experimenting now, guys, so just having fun. So much fun. A little bit of yellow. And now we'll move it around a little. Nice, isn't it? And I didn't use a big lot of paint, you know. You hear it dripping like it's raining out. How pretty it is. Wow. It's really nice. I like that red and white that I put in the center there. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Just trying to get it to go down there now. Oh, it's so pretty. Just lay it down for a second. I'm going to add a little more paint to this bottom part here. So move. So you get an empty space, then you might want to add some more paint. So I'll just add my paints like I did before. Really like that red. There you go. I'm going to add it around here. See, you can add colors after, even when you have colors on there, you can add more colors. See? So there's no right or wrong to this, you know. This is just fun. Just to see how things work out. Look how pretty. A little messy, but it's okay. But I'm not wasting a lot of paint. I'm using just what I need. Small cup helps. Look how pretty it is. It'll take me all day to paint that with brushes. I'm having so much fun, I want to add more paint to it. I'm going to add more paint to yellow. and the red. Green. Little blobs and everything coming out. It's all good, eh? It's all good. More white. All right, I'm going to add some of that down here. Oh boy, I really like this. Adding the colors on top really helps. It's raining. Look how pretty that is. Now, a little messy. You might want to wear gloves or have some handy wipes close by. So if you can't get it to drip down here, just move it around a little bit with your palette knife. Fill it in. If you're happy with what you see, fill in the spaces to negative space, or you can leave negative spaces. Nice, isn't it? I like it. It's like abstract art. You can do all kinds of things. You can manipulate the paint with your palette knife if you want. So just get some colors together. Add some dish soap. Add a little water to your dish soap and get a canvas or whatever you want to use and pour it out like I just showed you and see what comes out, and when it dries you can frame it. And people will say, how did you do all those strokes and all those different shapes inside? You'd be like, oh, very carefully. So that's nice, isn't it? Well, thank you for watching my video today. I just want to say thank you all for all your support through my Patreon page, and just for watching my videos. I'm really happy that I could do this for you, and I get a lot of nice compliments. So I am so happy that you watched that video, and if you have any questions about what you saw in the video, just leave your comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can for you. And we will do some more videos coming up.